Go.
I'm Camden Emmons, and I'm 5, and I'm gonna make a song up.
What's it called?
It's called, I don't know, but I don't know, it doesn't have a name.
It doesn't? Can you show me your face? What's your name again?
Camden.
How old are you?
5.
Show me how tall you are really quick. Big feet, big shirt, big hair, big head. Okay, same kid.
Okay.
Can you play your da-da-da song? Good job. Can you do it with your eyes closed now? You're good. Can you play it like in that movie? Yay! Yay! Good job, Camden. You want to take a bow? Yay!
Okay, can I see it on the computer
You
now?
want to watch it on the computer now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Will we hear how I played it?
Yeah. Hey, what movie did we just go see?
Night at the Museum.
Was it good?
Yeah.
What was good about
It
it?
was awesome.
What was so awesome?
Awesome.
Okay, I love you. Hey. I love you.
Love you. Okay.
Anything else interesting? Let me just look at your face.
Let's
you
watch.
give me a kiss?
Come a kiss.
Blow me a kiss.
Can we play